Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the new feature on TikTok called Post to View. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So the Post to View feature means that in case a user wants to see what someone else has posted, they need to share a photo or a short video of their own. So let me show you how to use it. So before we begin, let's update your TikTok app. So you can do this by going into the App Store or your Google Play Store. Go ahead and update the TikTok app here. And once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now, once you open it, at the bottom here, you'll notice this new button called Now. This has basically been replaced by the search icon. So go ahead and tap on that to see the Post to View feature. And as you can see, all the post has been blurred. And you can only see it if you post something on TikTok. So go ahead and tap on Post to View to unblur this. So now here you've got your rear facing camera and your front camera enabled. So go ahead and post something here. So I'll post a photo of myself. And there you go. You can select if you want your friends to view or everyone. So I'll go ahead and tap on everyone. At the bottom here it says it'll expire in 3 days. So this post will basically expire in 3 days. So I'll go ahead and tap on the tick to post that to TikTok. So now I've posted that on TikTok. I'll tap on Explore here at the top. And as you can see, all these posts are now viewable by myself. And that is how to use the new feature on TikTok called Post to View. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.